The conduct of presidential and National Assembly elections witnessed a massive turnout of electorate wishing to exercise their civic rights. Despite successful conduct of the polls, little challenges were encountered, among which include ballot paper shortage that led to the postponement of House of Representatives elections and inability of the smart card readers to accredit voters at the required time in some polling units, which led to their overstay on queue.
We came here early in the morning, but the card reader refuses to accredit us. The card reader is giving us problem. It refuses to recognize our thumbprint.
As the governorship and state assembly elections drew nearer, the Independent National Electoral Commission in Jigawa State has made adequate preparations to address the challenges faced during the presidential and National Assembly polls, so as to answer the questions posed by many as to how prepared the commission is.
We were ready for Saturday's elections since before Saturday last time, and as God would have it, because of these shortages, and we didn't want to do the elections in two parts, it was agreed with stakeholders that the elections should be merged now with the gubernatorial elections and state assembly elections.
The Commission has also put in place laid-down rules and regulations to guide the conduct of the elections. Electorates are therefore urged to abide by the Commission's guidelines and give necessary cooperations to INEC officials and security officers so that the exercise will be hitch-free.
For each voting point, there is a card reader. In other words, the number of polling units, the number of card readers to be deployed will be equal to the number of polling units we have in the state, except that we have some surplus where if there is any failure, they will quickly come and alleviate the failure with the use of the surplus we have.
Meanwhile, Commandant of the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, Jigawa State Command Alhaji Muhammad Gidado Fari, has disclosed that the command has deployed 2,000 personnel for the conduct of gubernatorial, state, and National Assembly elections in the state. Gidado said is to provide maximum security during the elections across the 27 local government areas in the state, adding that the primary responsibility of the Corps is to provide security to voters, electoral officials, and materials. He, however, urged them to be neutral and impartial while discharging their constitutional duties. Muhammad Nagaru, JTV News.